Good evening, guys. Actually, it is very late. It is currently 12:43 on this Sunday night. I wanted to get some stuff up for you guys to have content, and I'm going to try and get it edited tomorrow. But what are we going to look at tonight for me? Today for you, we are going to look at a knife I'm really excited about. I've wanted to see one of these for a little while. This is the Esprit by Ray Laconico. So Ray Laconico design, executed by Knife Company. So, hey, you guys know what time it is. Turn down the volume because here comes a little bit of music. So this came in from Jared over at Neves Knives, and I was excited, really excited to get to see it. I've wanted to see one of these for a while, and it's first day in pocket. I've been carrying it since, I don't know, since about noonish, so about 12 hours, I would say. This thing is a dream to carry, so not for me to gush all over it. Here, let's turn this around and look at it from above. All right, guys, this is the Esprit designed by Ray Laconico for Knife Company, and this is a gorgeous knife. Look at that blade shape. Well executed. Now, this is in titanium that has, from what I can tell, I'm looking at it now. I will find out the actual specs later. Please don't say anything in the comments. Like I try to keep myself sequestered away from anything that tells me about price and things like that so I can make my own decisions. But this appears to be orange peel. Now, it could just be a very heavy blast, but it looks to me like it's orange peel, which means it's not going to scratch real easily. One of these days, I'll do a video and I'll explain about how that works. But it is in 20 CV and titanium. Really gorgeous blade finish, everything like that. It is extremely sharp, as I would expect anything that comes from Knife Company or out of Jared's house, because he may have already sharpened this. This is super, super comfortable. The pocket clip does bother me a little bit, though. It is, I had the pocket clip off, and this is why I can say it's super comfortable. I took the pocket clip off, and it is just about perfect. I am still adversely opposed to putting these big, tall clips like this that people want for these deep carry. There's other ways to do this to make it comfortable. This really does detract from the knife. I'm not going to say it's not like the Kaiser Lan, where it's just a showstopper for me. I still love this design, just not a fan of these big, tall pocket clips like this. I just don't like them. Don't like them. I don't like, not necessarily that I don't like tall pocket clips, because it's not like it's much taller than this. I don't like this large ramping area that you get with these. There's other ways to do it, make it much more comfortable. Action on this is great. It is a top flipper and a thumb stud operator. The blade on this, I've done just a slight little bit of cutting. I opened up a couple packages that had showed up for sharpening and stuff like that, and then just carried around the house. It is extremely light, easy to carry. I got to looking at it. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see it, but I have the lighting, so now you can. Yeah, see, that's all milled out. This thing is really light, and it gives it a good, nice tip forward weight that I like. I like a little bit of weight forward of the, I like the weight to start about here and work its way forward. It just feels more comfortable for me. I know some people like a tail heavy knife. I like a little bit of a tip heavy knife. That kind of drop point with the big swedge on it is a very attractive blade shape. It does fingerprint a lot, as you can see. But like I said, action on this is, for a light knife, the action is just stellar. And I like, listen to this. It just sounds good. It sounds good. Like I said, this pocket clip, on top of the fact it's really tall, I don't know why they do this. I know it's so you can get to the screws, but I've had other knives that came with pocket clips really similar to this that just did not do this. And I'm like, there's got to be a way, because when you have it in hand, you can feel it squeak. Does it make it a big deal? No, but for me, it's a tactile thing, and I don't like the way it feels. Here's a knife that has a pocket clip that we're going to talk about this knife probably tomorrow. But it's got a similar-esque pocket clip, and it doesn't move. So, I mean, it just bothers me. There has to be a way to not have them move. But yeah, all around, this thing has carried great so far today. I'm going to do some more tasks with it. I got some stuff that's coming in the mail. I'm going to be opening it up, and I'm probably going to wind up sharpening this to see how the 20 CV feels. But all in all, I am really, really pleased with how this knife was done. Like I said, I've wanted to see one of these Esprit for a long time. I would if I owned this, I would probably find a pocket clip that fit this that was not as tall. I'm not a fan. It's not that I'm not a fan of deep carry. Like, this carries nice forward in the pocket, so forward towards the zipper instead of back, so you can have a larger knife back towards your inseam. But it's when they get to a point where they're in an area of my hand that I don't. Once I can feel it and it bothers me. I'm pretty sure I can get by on this one. It's not horrible. It's not as bad as some of the others, but it does bother me because, like I said, you can see where it sits. If I'm gripping that knife, it is uncomfortable. So there you go, guys. That's first day in pockets on this. I have another knife that we're going to look at right here tomorrow. That's not necessarily going to be first day in pocket. That was in for sharpening, but we're going to talk about it real quick. So, guys, let's turn this around. Do some final thoughts. So yeah, like I said, guys, the only thing that I dislike about this, and it bothers me that these pocket clips do this. There's ways that pocket clips can be done that they don't do this. I've had several knives that have come in wire clip, bit clip, sculpted clip. They did not have that play like I mentioned down at the table. But other than that, this is a great knife. So we're gonna see how it plays out. I'll carry it for a week or so, see how I like it. It is really comfortable, guys, not gonna lie to you. So that's it on this one, guys. If you like the videos, give them a thumbs up. If you don't like them, give them a thumbs down, but please try to tell me why. I can't change the content if you don't tell me what you don't like. If you want to support the channel, a lot of times it's as simple as like I like to say, like, share, subscribe, drop a comment. It pushes us up the algorithm. But if you do want to support the channel financially, there's a lot of ways you can do it. Down below, I have a membership tab that gets you all kinds of benefits: early access to video, exclusive content, exclusive giveaways, premium tier sharpening tutorial series, and you save money on sharpening. I also, down below, have a lot of affiliate links. Anything you purchase, I get credit for. It doesn't cost you anything at checkout. And if I can find it, I will put up a affiliate link to this. And the last way I've got set up is I have a merchandise store down there on Ember Shirt Co. I've set you up a coupon code that's listed in the description that saves you 10% at checkout. That is CrazySharp, capital C, capital S, all one word, CrazySharp. Saves you 10% at checkout. And if you send me pictures of you wearing merchandise, I will put them in videos. Not sure yet if I'm going to drop them in the backdrop or if I'm just going to put them up in the video. So, guys, I love y'all. Keep it clean in the comments section. It makes it so much easier to moderate the channel. If it's your birthday, happy birthday, and I will see you in the next video.